First, state your name, age, where you're from, and how long you've been trading.
My name's Gwendolyn. I'm 30 years old from Sacramento, California, and I've been trading Forex for a little over a year now.
How long have you been trading with ASFX?
For about 6 weeks, I believe.
Do you only trade Forex?
Yes, I got burned in cryptocurrency.
So far with your experience, how has Austin and the ASFX system changed your career?
Pretty drastically. Before I wasn't really all in with trading, but Austin's course is just so simple. It's easy to just see the entries. It's easy to see kind of where you should exit. So there's not so much thinking. It's just all about execution.
What do you think of the all-day seminar?
It's freaking amazing. Oh my God. I still can't believe I'm here, so yeah.
Would you recommend this seminar to new or struggling traders?
I'd recommend it to every trader I come across, bro. Seriously, just check the system out. Who cares if you're already profitable? You never know. It could just be more plays in your playbook or something.
Let's go back to the first time you ever heard the word Forex. What advice would you give yourself knowing what you know now?
Find a mentor. That's it. Just find one.
Now we're going to do the same with Austin's content. What would you tell yourself the first time you came across the ASFX course?
Dude, just because you're involved with another course doesn't mean anything. Just if it's speaking to you, then let it speak to you and maybe give it a chance to check it out. And yeah.
Okay, so for the last couple, I'm going to prompt you for the first half, and then I want you to fill in the blank of the rest of the question. Everyone should consider trading Forex because
it gives you access to an unlimited lifestyle. It lets you know who you really are. The charts are just a mirror image of what you're putting out there in the world. So it makes you a better person. That's why you should trade Forex.
Damn, girl. Trading Forex with the ASFX system is
easy, simple, straightforward, awesome, stress-free.
Last one. Every new Forex trader should
learn the basics and find a mentor.